What's up everyone? Welcome to a new episode, First Time Recycling. Got myself Hiro here, and unfortunately we're not able to ride this weekend due to some personal matters, but luckily I got my Easton EA90 barstem that just came in. So the reason why I went with this one is because I ordered the 80mm barstem. What's on the bike right now is a 100mm barstem, and the reason why I got it is because when I'm riding I feel numbness in my wrists because I feel maybe I might be a little stretched out. So I'm curious to see if an 80mm will help make me feel more comfortable while riding. So anyways, if you haven't done this before or if you haven't seen any other videos, this bike is a Giant-Defy Advance 1, and it's a little different compared to other traditional bikes because of the front end here with the cable brakes to hydraulic lines. So I'll show you how to do it on this bike, and yeah, hopefully you learned something. If you do, make sure to hit that like. All right, we'll just get right to it. So the reason this is also pretty cool that it comes with a GPS mount, like a Garmin mount, but I won't be able to use it due to the way the front end is on this Giant. But anyways, at least I have it. So in the future, when I change this guy out right here, I'll be able to use it. If you guys didn't know, this is a 2019 Giant-Defy Advance 1. Giant designed this whole brake cylinder here. It's cable driven from the handles to here, and then from here to the brake calipers, it's hydraulic. So due to this, I can't use the GPS Garmin mount because I need to take this off and use this as the other end. I'm using a 4mm Allen wrench. It should fit here, here, and here. Yep, okay. So let's start by removing the cap. That'll free the stem from the bike. Pretty easy task, I'd say. This is my first time doing it, so it may take me a little longer than most other people, but I only see 4 bolts here, the 2 that hold the stem in, and the stem should just come right out. Just a little difference is this. The Easton stem kit comes with new Allen screws, so I'm going to use the new ones. These didn't feel good when they were threading out. They might be stripped. And that's from the assembly of this bike. It should come right out. Voila. Alright, there is a 7-degree angle here. If I put it this way, the bar will be higher. If I put it this way, the bar will be lower. So I'm going to go with the lower option. Alright, it's on there. I'll deal with aligning it after I get the bar on. The reason why you want to put the cap on and tighten the stem down is because of these spacers here. You need to tighten this down to tighten everything in the headset here before you tighten these screws here in order to fasten the stem. So let's take care of that first. Yeah, if you don't do this, you'll feel movement in the headset, and it's not a good feeling. I had it before and I just had to tighten this, which solved the problem. Alright you guys, this will conclude this episode. Hopefully you guys learned something. I mean, it's a pretty easy task. There's only 7 screws that you need to worry about. Stem comes right out, put the stem back in, and yeah, everything's just realigned to where I wanted it at. So the true test would be to actually ride it at least 30 minutes to an hour just to see how comfortable I feel, and then I'll adjust it then. But anyways, hopefully you liked this video. Make sure to smash that like, and if you're new to the channel, scroll to the bottom right, hit that subscribe. Alright you guys, stay till next weekend. We plan to ride to Compton and Beverly Hills, and we're going to have a new rider on the show. So thanks for watching. Peace out guys.